Welcome back to the Profitable Sports Coach. I'm your host, Tiff, and today we are wrapping up our 4-part Lionsgate series. In the previous 3 episodes, we have established the ceasefire window to protect your energy. We broke down the math on the time for dollars trap. In the 3rd episode, when we were talking about the 8th of the 8th peak, we ran through a massive premium pricing activation to help you own your own worth. But now the portal is closing and it's time that we have to talk about reality. Inspiration is such a beautiful feeling, but inspiration, unfortunately, won't pay your business expenses and it won't buy back your weekends. So in this episode today, this is your integration piece. We're going to build your profitable playbook. I'm going to give you a simple and practical step-by-step roadmap to transition your coaching business high leverage model over the next 12 months without you losing your core clients. Let's get to work. Whenever I tell a sports coach to change their business model or raise their prices, panic sets in. They say, if I tell my clients I'm stopping my one-on-one sessions and moving them to groups, they'll all quit. Or if I raise my prices by 30%, everyone will go down to the coach that charges less down the road. And that's fair. I understand that. Now let me give you a piece of data from years of business coaching. You do not change your business model overnight. If you were to send a frantic email on the Sunday night saying everything is going to change from tomorrow and I'm going to build these development squads and pods and group coaching and I'm not going to do private lessons anymore, it's going to be a huge meltdown on the Monday. I can guarantee you that. That's not what this is about. Remember what we talked about in this first episode of the Lionsgate series. A composed CEO does not panic. A composed CEO does not make sudden moves. All we're doing here is we're just staggering the transition. We're going to phase things out strategically so that your income stays steady while your free time expands. And you should also accept a fundamental business truth. Some of your low-ticket, high-maintenance clients should leave you. I think you know that without me having to say that. They require a lot more work than what you really want to put in. You want to make room for the premium clients who value your time, and it's time to let go of those clients wanting a discount and they're messaging you late at night. So what I want you to do now is grab your notebook, because here is your 12-month profitable playbook broken down into 3 distinct phases. So this is phase 1. You want to be looking at this between 1 to 3 months. This is the energy lock. You do not touch your prices yet. Instead, what you do here is you firmly establish your ceasefire window, that what we talked about in episode 1. You set up automated out-of-office structures. You train your clients to respect your communication hours. And at the same time, you want to cap your one-to-one hours. No new clients are allowed on your roster. If someone wants in, they go on a wait list. Phase 2, this is 4 to 6 months. This is the group pilot. Now, this is where you launch your first development pod that we discussed in episode 2. You do not force your one-to-one clients in it yet. You take the people from your new wait list or external marketing and fill 1 to 2 groups at your new premium rate. This will prove the concept, and this will also build your confidence. Phase 3, months 7 to 12. This is the great grandfathering. Now, this is what you could do with your old one-on-one clients. You could give them a couple of months, 60 days notice, and you're going to say to them, to deliver better results, my academy is moving to an exclusive small group format for the next season. And because you've been with me from when I began, I want to give you the opportunity of grandfathering you into the first time slots that are available. So if we look down 12 months down the track, your entire calendar will have flipped. You're working half the hours, you're coaching small groups, and you're making double the revenue. Now, to ensure that you actually execute this profitable playbook, your profitable habit moving forward is dedicating time to the CEO Power Hour. So most coaches fail to scale because they spend 100% of their time working in the business. They're coaching, they're picking up cones, they're driving to facilities. They don't actually spend any time actually working on building their business. So starting next week, I want you to block out 60 minutes on your Monday morning before you step onto the field, before you step onto the court, before you step onto the golf course, wherever you run your business, before you check a single client text. I want you to sit at your desk with your playbook. So what you want to do here is you want to spend 20 minutes of that hour auditing your numbers. What was your revenue last week and who cancelled? Your second lot of 20 minutes, you want to spend on marketing and reaching out to new potential clients for your upcoming development squads. And your final 20 minutes, you're focusing on automating systems or refining your group training curriculum. If you don't schedule time to build your empire, the daily operations of chaos will always consume you. Treat this CEO Power Hour as an unbreakable time with your future wealth. So here we are. That's the end of our 4-part Lionsgate series. We're looking at your transition from being exhausted, underpaid and burnout to a composed, profitable CEO that starts today. You have the boundaries, you have the math, you have the mindset, and now you have the profitable playbook. Go out there, protect your energy, build your leverage, and execute. Now, if this 4-part series completely changed the way that you look at your business, please take 30 seconds of your time to leave a 5-star review or wherever you hear this episode. That would be absolutely fantastic. It helps us reach more sports coaches so that we can end the industry burnout together. And when you get a chance, leave a message in the comment section. Let me know when you're going to start your first CEO Power Hour. And remember this, work with leverage, value your expertise, lead with intention, and coach with clarity and care. Look forward to seeing you in the next episode. Bye for now.